This is grass.
No.
Good. This is a giant,
Jet.
and its name is the Gruffalo.
Buffalo.
We'll see what the mouse is going to do. Okay. A mouse took a stroll through the deep dark woods. A fox saw the mouse and the mouse looked good. किसने देखा mouse को?
Fox.
What is this?
Fox.
Fox asked the mouse, "Where are you going to, little brown mouse? Come and have lunch in my underground house." Fox called the mouse for?
Mouse.
Fox called the mouse for lunch. Very good. क्या बोला mouse ने? It's terribly kind of you, Fox, but no, I'm going to have lunch with the Gruffalo. किसके साथ खाएगी mouse lunch?
Buffalo. What's a buffalo?
Gruffalo. What's a Gruffalo? A Gruffalo? Why didn't you know what's a Gruffalo? It has terrible tusks. Tusk देखा? Have you seen a tusk? Which other animal has a tusk?
Laksha, which other animal has a tusk?
Which other animal has a tusk?
This.
This is a tusk. Which other animal has a tusk? Elephant.
Elephant.
And terrible claws. Terrible teeth and its terrible jaws. Where is your jaw? Fox asked the mouse, "Where are you going to meet him?" "Here by these rocks. And his favorite food is a roasted fox." What is the favorite food of Gruffalo? What is the favorite food of Gruffalo? Roasted fox. What is your favorite food?
Apple. Mango. Watermelon. Apple. Watermelon. Watermelon. Banana. Orange.
Okay. Roasted fox, I am off. Fox said. Goodbye, little mouse, and away he sped. Why he sped away? Do you know what is meant by sped? Fox ने भाग दिया. क्यों भाग दिया?
क्योंकि वो डर गया.
हाँ. क्योंकि Gruffalo का favorite food है roasted fox. Silly old fox. Doesn't he know there is no such thing called a Gruffalo?
Fox का house.
वही underground house. Silly old fox. Doesn't he know there is no such thing called a Gruffalo? क्या हुआ? Gruffalo के नाम पे कोई भी नहीं है. Fox has told a lie. हाँ. On went the mouse through the deep dark wood. An owl saw the mouse and the mouse looked good. Where are you going to, little brown mouse? Come and have tea in my treetop house. Treetop house देखा?
Tree house.
Treetop house.
ये जहाँ पे ये रहता है.
जहाँ पे owl रहता है. This is a treetop house.
मैं हिंदी
And the owl called mouse for a tea. What did the mouse say? It's frightfully nice of you, owl, but no, I'm going to have tea with a Gruffalo.
Buffalo.
किसके साथ टी पिएगी माउस ने?
Buffalo.
Gruffalo.
तो जो इसका पुराना दोस्त था.
फिर क्या बोला? हाउल ने a Gruffalo. What's a Gruffalo? A Gruffalo? Why didn't you know what a Gruffalo is? He has knobbly knees. Knees, इसका knees बहुत बड़ा था. Turned out toes and a poisonous wart at the end of his nose.
No, that's not my name.
ये तो बहुत poisonous है. Where are you going to meet him? Here by the stream, and his favorite food is a owl ice cream.
Owl ice cream.
Gruffalo का क्या खाएगा? Owl ice cream.
Owl ice cream.
Owl ice cream? 2v2. Goodbye, little mouse, and flew away the owl. हाउल भी भाग दिया, क्यों?
क्योंकि वो भी डर गया।
उसको भी डर लग गया. Silly old owl, doesn't he know there is no such thing called a Gruffalo?
Sparrow. Snake.
On went the mouse through the deep dark wood. A snake saw the mouse.
Mouse
looked good.
snake से मिला।
हाँ. क्या बोला स्नेक ने? Where are you going to, little brown mouse?
उसने बोला buffalo।
Come and have feast in my log pile house. पता है log pile house क्या है?
House।
These are the logs.
ये house ही है। House इसके house।
इसके अंदर रहते हैं स्नेक. सांप.
Hole।
It's wonderfully nice of you, snake, but no, I'm going to have feast with a Gruffalo. क्या बोला? माउस ने फिर
माउस ने बोला फिर मैं तो अपने दोस्त buffalo के खाऊंगा।
a Gruffalo?
और
What's a
what is-
Gruffalo?
Buffalo।
His eyes are orange.
Orange।
His tongue is black.
Black।
Where is your tongue? What is the color of your tongue?
Red।
Pink.
क्या है ये pink?
He has purple prickles all over his back. उसके बैक में पूरा से पूरा ऐसा nails है, prickles.
और इसके dark green है ये।
Where are you meeting him? Here by this lake.
ये सबको
And his
डरा-
favorite food is a scrambled snake.
ये
कैसा होता है scrambled snake?
frog।
What is the favorite food of Gruffalo now? Scrambled snake.
मैम आपने ये तो बताया नहीं, तुम दबा के भाग गया ये snake।
Scrambled snake कैसा होगा?
सबको माउस डरा क्यों रहा है? Black।
क्या black?
वो buffalo का
Scrambled snake.
क्योंकि
It's time I hate. Goodbye little mouse and away snake fled. क्या किया स्नेक ने भी भाग दिया.
स्नेक भी भाग गया तुम दबा के।
क्यों?
क्योंकि उसको भी वो भी डर गया।
Silly old snake, doesn't he know there is no such thing called a Gruffalo? क्या हुआ? अभी तक माउस ने झूठ बोला that there is no such thing called a Gruffalo. लेकिन अभी
उसने इसलिए झूठ बोला क्योंकि
हाँ।
वो उनके साथ डिनर नहीं करना चाहता था। उसको लगा था कि वो उसको खा जाएंगे।
नहीं, अभी Gruffalo आ गए. Mouse has seen the Gruffalo, but who's this creature with a terrible tusk, terrible claws, terrible teeth and his terrible jaws,
आपने
knobbly knees, turned out toes, poisonous
Terrible
rod at the end of his nose.
Terrible
His
tongue.
eyes are orange and tongue is black. And he has purple prickles all over his back. Oh help! क्या बोला माउस ने? Oh help! It's a Gruffalo. What the Gruffalo said, माउस को देखकर, my favorite food. Gruffalo का favorite food है माउस. He will taste good on a slice of bread.
इसको पका के
Bread
ब्रेड
को
खा जाएगा
mix
क्या?
कर-
इसको ब्रेड बनाएगा और खा जाएगा जैम
हाँ.
लगा के। ब्रेड पकाकर और
क्या बोला माउस ने?
जैम
Good,
लगा
said the mouse. Don't call me good. I am the scariest creature in this world. Everyone is afraid of me. क्या बोला माउस ने? सब मुझे देखकर डरते हैं.
मुझे देख के नहीं
डरते
डरते।
हैं.
सिर्फ वो buffalo को
All right, said Gruffalo, bursting with laughter. कैसा laugh किया Gruffalo ने?
ये
Laugh कर तो दिखा दो ना.
लेकिन शिवन भैया ने ब्रेड
They walked and walked till the Gruffalo said, I hear a hiss in the leaves ahead. इसका साउंड कैसा होता है? बोले तो कौन आ गए? नहीं, स्नेक. वेरी गुड. इट्स अ स्नेक.
कौन आया अभी घर ले?
हेलो.